Hi everyone, I'm Sam. Today we're going to talk about nutrition. Nutrition is the science of food, its composition, how our bodies use it, and its impact on health. In simple terms, nutrition studies the journey food takes from plate to body, transforming into energy, building blocks for growth, and vital signals that keep us thriving. It encompasses everything from the nutrients in fruits and vegetables to the delicate balance our bodies maintain between calories in and calories out. This field explores how different foods affect our mood, energy, and even the way we age, making it as much about life as it is about science. Imagine walking into a bustling kitchen where every ingredient has its own role. A pinch of salt here, a dash of spice there, and together they create a meal that nourishes both body and soul. Nutrition is much like that kitchen. A blend of diverse components coming together to form a complete, balanced picture of health. For centuries, humans have been curious about why some foods energize us, while others leave us feeling drained. Our understanding has evolved from simple observations, like noticing that a lack of certain fruits could lead to illness, to a detailed exploration of how molecules, enzymes, and genes interact in a delicate dance within our bodies. Our journey into nutrition begins long before modern laboratories, rooted in ancient wisdom. The ancient Greek physician Hippocrates famously said, "Let food be thy medicine, and medicine be thy food," hinting at the idea that what we eat can be both preventive and healing. Centuries later, during the Enlightenment, scientists began to break down food into its constituent parts. Pioneers like Antoine Lavoisier measured energy in food, comparing it to the fuel that powers a machine. Just as a car requires gasoline to run, our bodies need food to keep us moving, thinking, and living. As the 19th century dawned, a German chemist named Justus von Liebig introduced the idea that food is composed of elements that are chemically essential for life. His work laid the groundwork for understanding that proteins, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals each play a unique role in our health. Think of these nutrients as members of a sports team, each with a specific position and responsibility. Proteins might be the defenders, building and repairing tissues, while carbohydrates serve as the midfielders, providing the quick bursts of energy needed for daily activities. Fats, often misunderstood, are like the midfielders who sometimes move into attack or defense depending on the situation. They store energy, help absorb vitamins, and protect our organs. One of the great breakthroughs in nutrition was the discovery of vitamins, a term that didn't even exist a century ago. In the 18th century, sailors on long voyages suffered from mysterious illnesses until the Scottish physician James Lind connected scurvy to a lack of citrus fruits. Lind's simple yet profound observation eventually led to the identification of vitamin C as an essential nutrient. His work reminds us of a time when nutrition was a matter of survival, and every meal held the key to avoiding debilitating disease. As scientific techniques advanced, researchers began to see nutrition as more than just a list of ingredients. The concept of energy balance emerged, a notion that the calories we consume should roughly match the calories we burn. This idea, much like balancing a checkbook, underscores a fundamental principle. Too much or too little of any nutrient can tip the scales away from optimal health. Yet, much like the art of cooking, the science of nutrition is about balance, harmony, and timing. Our bodies are not simple machines, but rather intricate ecosystems where even a slight imbalance in nutrients can lead to unexpected outcomes. In modern times, nutrition science has evolved into a multifaceted field that intertwines chemistry, biology, and even psychology. Researchers now delve into how genetics and the microbiome, the trillions of bacteria living in our gut, affect our nutritional needs. Picture your gut as a bustling metropolis where countless residents help digest food, synthesize vitamins, and even influence mood and behavior. Just as every city has its unique character, shaped by its inhabitants, each person's nutritional needs may vary based on their unique genetic and microbial makeup. This emerging field of personalized nutrition is one of the frontiers of modern science, offering the promise of diets tailored to individual needs. Yet, like any vibrant field of inquiry, nutrition is not without its controversies. Decades ago, a heated debate raged over dietary fats. Early studies painted fats, especially saturated fats, as the villains behind heart disease, leading to a wave of low-fat dietary recommendations. Over time, however, further research revealed a more nuanced story. Not all fats are created equal, and some, like those found in olive oil or avocados, are essential for a healthy heart. These debates remind us that science is an evolving conversation. Just as a family might revise its recipes with time and experience, nutrition science continually refines its recommendations based on new evidence. Other controversies continue to capture the public's imagination. The rise of processed foods, for instance, has sparked discussions about additives, preservatives, and the overall quality of our diets. While convenience is a significant factor in today's busy lives, many experts argue that the industrial processing of food strips away essential nutrients, much like a painter diluting a vibrant color. These debates underscore a broader truth. Nutrition is not only about individual choices, but also about larger societal patterns, agricultural practices, and economic systems. One of the most compelling aspects of nutrition is the human story behind the science. Researchers across the globe have collaborated, debated, and sometimes clashed in their quest to unravel the mysteries of food and health. Conferences, research labs, and even humble kitchens have been the meeting grounds for ideas that challenge established norms. For example, the study of the Mediterranean diet, a pattern of eating rich in fruits, vegetables, olive oil, and lean proteins, has reshaped our understanding of how food can prevent chronic diseases. Here, cultural practices and culinary traditions have informed scientific inquiry, proving that nutrition is as much about heritage and community as it is about biochemistry. The narrative of nutrition also weaves through everyday experiences. Consider how you feel after a hearty, balanced meal compared to a quick snack of sugary treats. That difference isn't just in taste, it's a reflection of the complex interplay of nutrients at work in your body. Just as a well-tuned orchestra delivers a symphony, a balanced diet orchestrates a range of bodily processes, from the steady beat of your heart to the rhythmic firing of neurons in your brain. When one instrument is off-key, a deficiency in a particular nutrient, the whole performance can falter. Despite the tremendous strides made over centuries, nutrition remains an area with many open questions. Researchers are still puzzling over issues like the optimal balance of macronutrients for different individuals, or how lifestyle factors like sleep, stress, and exercise interact with diet. The burgeoning field of nutrigenomics, which explores how our genes affect our response to food, is a testament to both our progress and the mysteries that remain. It's a reminder that while we have unraveled many of nature's secrets, the recipe for perfect health is still a work in progress. In many ways, the story of nutrition mirrors the evolution of human civilization. Early humans learned to forage and hunt, gradually discovering which plants and animals offered the sustenance necessary for survival. Over time, agricultural innovations transformed societies, giving rise to stable communities, and eventually to complex cultures with elaborate culinary traditions. Today, we stand on the shoulders of countless individuals, from ancient healers to modern scientists, who each contributed a piece to the vast puzzle of nutrition. This journey is far from over. New research continues to challenge old assumptions, and emerging technologies like metabolomics and advanced imaging are offering fresh insights into how our bodies process food. There are still debates to be had about dietary supplements versus whole foods, the impact of food additives on long-term health, and how best to combat the modern epidemics of obesity and diabetes. Each new discovery adds a brushstroke to an ever-evolving canvas, reminding us that science is not static but a dynamic, ongoing conversation. As you reflect on your next meal, consider the rich tapestry of ideas, experiments, and stories that have shaped our understanding of nutrition. What appears on your plate is not merely sustenance, but the culmination of centuries of human curiosity, experimentation, and perseverance. The colorful array of fruits, vegetables, grains, and proteins is a testament to our species' relentless pursuit of knowledge, a journey that intertwines the elegance of science with the warmth of human experience. In the end, nutrition is both an art and a science. It invites us to explore how food fuels our lives, how our bodies communicate through chemical signals, and how we, as a society, can come together to promote health and well-being. Whether you're a home cook experimenting with new recipes or someone striving to understand how to better nourish your body, remember that every bite carries with it a story, a narrative of discovery, debate, and the enduring human quest to understand the essence of life. That's it for today, and I'll see you in the next episode.